Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to work with the views and the template for the post, so the followers can see the post of their user that they are following. I hope that this is pretty clear, like what is this doing here, the string. And if you have any question like what is this doing, like how does this work, just let me know in the comment. But as you can see here in the post save, we are basically, when we hit save here in the post, or when we create like this model, we are basically calling this function here, like add post, right? And the sender is the post, right? So when we call this will call like this like function here, and this will create a new object, a new string object for all of the users that are like following. Okay, so all of them, they get like the post basically. If you have any question, just let me know. I know this can be a little confusing, and probably I'm not the best at explaining this part, but yeah. Okay, so yeah, let's go and create a new view for the post. Okay, here we are. Let's call this view index. Actually, we need to import. First, let's import the login required thing. Django login required. Okay, this is the decorator. Yep, let's copy this one and let's paste it here. Boom. So in order to view that, you need to be logged in. Okay, this, take a request. Oops. Boom. And then let's call the models here now. From post.models import post and string, right? String. Okay, the user will be equal to request.user. Okay, the post will be post. No, actually a string, because we are getting we're loading the post from the string, not from the post. Okay, objects. Oops. Dot filter, and then the user will be equal to user. Okay, and then yep. So when we get the post ID from the string object, what are we getting? We are getting the ID for the post, right? So let's create a new like dictionary. Let's call it like groups ID will be empty. And then for post, in post, okay, group ID pen post ID. Okay, the ID for like each one of these, right? And then now post items. Oops. be post the objects that filter ID underscore in groups ID, remember the all, and then we're organizing that like order by posted. Beautiful. Okay, let's explain this a little bit. So we are getting all the objects, the string objects that are created for the user. Let's say you, right? Then here we created a new dictionary, an empty dictionary, and like here, for each post, we're adding like all of these post ID. We're adding that to the dictionary here, right? And then in post items, we're like filtering all the IDs that are like here. We're filtering them and like ordering by post. We are like filtering them so we can like display it in the index, right? We're selecting like a specific, all the specific like post by ID that are created in the string. Remember, when we go here to the admin and we click strings, as you can see in the post, there is the ID. So we are getting like this ID, so we can display that in the index. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty much what this does. Now we set the template will be loader dot get template and index.html. Good. We need to call like the loader. Okay. From Django that template import loader. Good. Yep. And then like the context now. Okay. Post items. Post items. Good. In this, we'll return. And oh, we need to import them actually. From Django.http import http response. Let's copy this. You can use render if you want. Yeah, it will be the same, but of course the return is different. Okay. Okay, template render. So this is from the context and from the request. Okay, this should work, I think. Okay, let's save that. Now let's create this the URL for the view. We don't have, yeah, we need to create a new file. Let's call this, oops, let's save first. URLs.py, boom. And then, of course, like here, we import post.view, oops, import in index. Good, and then like from Django that URLs import path. Okay. Okay, URL partner. We can copy this. Let's see then. Oops. Nope. Here. Yeah, like just like that. Let's just copy all of these. I don't want to mess. I don't want to make a mess. And then let's close. Boop. Okay. Index, nothing. This will be index. This index, we're passing that here. And then a name. What happened? Okay. A name. Oops. Index. Boom. Okay, good. Looks good. Save that. And now let's add these URLs here. Let's copy all of these. Go here, paste it. We can call this post if you want, or you can just leave it blank, whatever you want to do. Then like post the URLs. Save that, and then like let's run the server. Oh, it's actually running. Okay, okay, we have the views and the URL set up. Now let's change the templates. Let's go to index. We need to change all of these because we have like base, right? So we don't need anything. We don't need like all of this stuff. So let's start from the container. Okay. Yeah, we're going to delete all of these. Let's go up. Boom. Then here, down. Boom. So like here we just put the end block thing, the end block tag. Let's copy this one. Then what's the name? I forgot. The name is block content. Let's copy this one actually. Beautiful. Let's copy this again. Load static. And let's copy again. And then here, s10s from page base.html. Save. Okay. Okay. It should work. Now here we need to, we need to start working here. So let's copy this one. Let's paste it here. Okay, like below the column for the cars, for each car. So for pause, you can call it pause. I will just call it pause item because in the view we have like pause items. Let me see. Views, yes, pause items. Let's copy this one. In pause items, let's copy. Oops. Oh yeah, this is extra. We need to get rid of this one. Let's get rid of this one. And then, oops. N4. Oops, N4. Okay. Okay, we have the N4 now. For the picture, we delete that and double. Okay. Paste it here. post item that get sorry, the picture that URL. Okay, let's copy this one. What is that? Oh, yeah, that's the picture. I got confused here. I'm like, what is this? So this is for the profile. The user doesn't have a profile right now. So yeah, let's just avoid that. And here, let's put boom, that user. No, this will be the name. So let's just put it here. That user, that username, because we're getting the username, right? And the content, let's delete that. Let's delete that one too. And the content is the caption, right? Caption. Good. Up. And these are the hashtags, right? How you let's put a P here. And then as this is a many to many field, the caption, we need to like basically like load all of them that are in the related to that post. So we do that by creating like a for here in the front, for tag in post underscore item dot tags dot all, and then like here we this is the, let me see, yes, this is, let me see, round B, no, this is supposed to be, yes, for the here the tag. Yeah, this is extra. I'm like, what is happening? Now I understand. Paste it here, and then let's delete that, and then let's copy this. Paste it here, like after the hashtag, and then we put tag that title to get the name of the tag. Okay. Yeah, or no, I think it's just, yeah, tag, right? Yep, that's pretty much. Oh, and the URL, we need to, you remember that we select tag that get absolute URL. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, we have the caption and now the date. Yes, and then here post. Beautiful. And yep, and then the likes, but we will leave that for later. Okay, let's reload. Let's go to post. Let's see how this is working. Post. Oh, and oh, let me see. We have an error here. Okay, let's see if we close this. Oh, we forgot to close the for the tags here, boom, save, reload. Request is not defined. 928. You have a typo here. Oh yes. Oh, beautiful. Seriously? In the models. The thing is that this, I'm not like accustomed to this keyboard, so that's why I'm typing so wrong. One line 23. Reverse. Save. 23. This arc. Reverse or thanks. Okay, let's see. Models. Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah, the thing is that we don't have the, let's see, we don't have the URL for tags yet. So yeah, let me just comment this one. Boom, beautiful. And yep, as you can see, we have the post by Bill Gates, and this is the date and the picture, and then yeah, we are using the what's the user. This is the let's log out, user log out. In that one, we're using the Byron Lara. Now let's log with this one so you can see. And here we go. As you can see, the user is like showing the post. And yeah, that's pretty much how it works. In the next video, we're going to polish this and like work with the tags, because as in the error before, we don't have these like tags set up yet. Yeah, and also we're going to work with the post details. When we click on the post, it will take us to the post details. Yeah, and this is it for now, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.